This is Uniland Tripping for Your High Life. Today, still Melanie introduce our product. First, let me clean up our product. Wait for me. Yeah. Okay, it's time to introduce our new product. Today, I'd like to introduce our big DabTools bag. Okay, it is really very big compared with this small bag. Okay, you can see this very big, right? It is black and there are a lot of brass. It's very maturity and generous. Okay, then we up deep and we can see the DabTools very clearly. Wow, what happened? Okay, wait for me. Let me put it. Okay. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different styles of DabTools. Each DabTool has different size and different shape. Also, including 4 different color silicone container. It's about 7 ml. This bag is very suitable for the party, and you can take it everywhere because it's very convenient and portable. Okay, if you like this bag, you can order it through our link, and if you like our video, you can like it and give me some motivation. And you also can follow our channel, and I can tell you more about detail of our new product. Okay, thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.